Hey everyone, Steve from PublishPress here. The PublishPress Capabilities plugin is one of the most popular ways to control permissions for WooCommerce. One user wrote to us and asked this question. Your plugin is amazing, they said. I'm able to get along well, except for a WooCommerce question. I want to create a role called Order Manager, and the only thing I want this role to do is access orders in WooCommerce. I don't want them to access products or refunds or reports or manage any other area in WooCommerce. My answer to them was, yes, it is possible to create a WordPress user who can only access WooCommerce orders but nothing else, and I'll show you how to do that in this tutorial. First, you will need to install WooCommerce and also the PublishPress Capabilities plugin. What we're going to do to get started is go to Capabilities in your WordPress admin menu, and we're going to create a new role called Order Manager. We're going to base it on the subscriber role. We're going to do that because the subscriber role has a really good basic set of permissions, very similar to the ones we want for our new Order Manager role. So in the top right corner, look for subscriber, and we're going to copy the subscriber role. I'm going to type in Order Manager. And now we're going to make some modifications to the Order Manager. You'll see that this role has almost zero permissions. Every box on the screen is unchecked right now. In the orders area, I'm going to check all of these boxes to give them full permissions to edit and delete all of the orders. I'm not going to check any other boxes, and I'll click Save Changes. There is one more key thing we need to do, and this is because of a restriction in WooCommerce. By default, WooCommerce will not allow most users access to the WordPress admin area. This is a change from the way WordPress normally operates. And if we want to allow the Order Manager into the WordPress admin area, we need to add a new capability. This one is called view_admin_dashboard. So I'm going to type this into the Add Capability box, and I'll click on Add to Role. And it should be checked by default. It's sitting here alongside other capabilities for WooCommerce. And I'll click on Save Changes to make that change. Now, I'm going to go to the Users area, and I have a couple of existing users, including myself. This John account is going to be my test. I'm going to change him from being a subscriber to an Order Manager. And I have installed a plugin which allows me to easily switch to his account, but you don't need this. You can easily get his username and password and log in as him to test his account. And this is what the Order Manager role should see. They don't have access to any other area of WooCommerce except for the orders. They do have access to their profile, so they can change their email and password if they want to, but that's it. They are literally restricted to the orders area of WooCommerce and nothing else. So this is possible with PublishPress Capabilities, which is perhaps the most popular way to manage permissions for WooCommerce. And there's also a pro version available at PublishPress.com if you want more features. Thanks, and all the best with your WooCommerce sites.